Gold line, the latest underground gold detector, long-range gold locator system, specialist to detection the ionic field of pure gold. The search depth is 12 meters and the search distance is 50 meters. The device consists of a main unit, ion sensor. The main unit consists of sensor input, night lighting, signal level indicator, on-off button, battery level indicator, light LED on-off button, ground calibration button, volume control button, headphone socket, laser operation button, charger input. How to use this device? Turn on the device. And then press the calibration button if the device affected by the surrounding. There are 3 calibration levels that enable you to calibrate the device. Control in the volume level according to your convenience. To enable or disable vibration features, press and hold in the volume button. Turn on the light LED if you work at night. You can, whenever you want, to turn on the laser. Hold the device and then calibrate the device with the soil. Walk and direct the device horizontally toward potential target. And if the device sends a target, lower gradually the device toward the ground to locate the target completely. You will notice the sound and lights indicators will gradually increase when you closer of the target point. How to measure the depth of the target? The user should stand above the target point and the device must be oriented vertically. Then walk from the target point to another direction. You will notice the indicators gradually decreases until stop. Measure by the meter from the last sense point to the target point, and the result are the depth of the target. Thank you for listening.